Majina yangu mimi naitwa Eliud Chiroskai na nimetoka kaunti ya Embu. Sisi tunataka mtetezi wetu, mtetezi ambaye anajua zile shinda tuko nazo kama watu wa Embu, watu wa Tharaka Nithi na watu wa Meru. Na ndio tunasema bila kuogopa, kwa sababu tunajua kuko na cabinet. Na sisi tukikaa hivi tukiangalia kwa hiyo cabinet, yule mtu ambaye anaweza ongelelea mambo yetu sababu anaijua kwa undani kabisa, tunasema sisi tuna support Professor Kindiki aweze kuweza kupeleka ajenda yetu kwa meza ya serikali. Ndio mwanzo ya ngoma. Tunataka Mount Kenya East ikuwe respected as its own block, because we have similar problems in Embu, similar problems in Tharaka Nithi County and similar problems in Meru County. Wakati tunaongea mambo ya kusema kuna mlima gani tunaongea, wakati hile sisi pande yetu yote watoto wetu wakisoma railway line wanasikia sikiwa stories, they can only go to Central ama the west of that mountain, huko ndio wataenda kupata railway.
I am Njagi Kenneth, or popularly known as Njagi Mono. I come from Tharaka Nithi, Tharaka constituency, Gatunga ward. Many young people in this region, as well as others across the country, have long felt marginalized from key policy decisions and disconnected from the leaders entrusted with shaping our nation's future.
Boniface Munene Murithi. As young leaders of the Mount Kenya East region, we acknowledge the recent political discourse by our elected representatives advocating for Mount Kenya East to emerge as an independent political bloc. We believe the time has come for our region to chart its own political course, and the youth are best positioned to assist our leaders and community in defining this future. On national representation, to effectively navigate this future, we need a local point, we need a focal point, a leader who can bridge the gap between our region and the national government. This leader must have a national presence, understand challenges we face, and work to address them at the national level. We align ourselves with the vision and leadership of Honorable Professor Kithure Kindiki, Cabinet Secretary for Interior and National Administration, who embodies the ideals of a new Kenya, a Kenya free from ethnic bias, hatred, and division, where people from all backgrounds have equal opportunities and where peace and development prevail, and where the contributions of every citizen are valued. We support the call for Professor Kithure Kindiki to lead Mount Kenya East engagement in national discussions that will create networks at the national level to move Kenya forward. Thank you.
My name is Justin. I come from Embu, Ronyenjes constituency, Keni South Ward. We believe that Professor Kindiki is uniquely positioned to lead the efforts in our region to combat this issue, working with other like-minded leaders across the country. We call on our leaders to harness the skills and talents of our young people by empowering them to take charge of our country's economic abilities. Now, we trust that Professor Kindiki will champion these proposals and ensure their successful implementation. As the young people from Mount Kenya East, we have come of age and we are ready and willing to take charge and build both our region and our nation. Thank you so much.